Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to backside half cab over the hip. Hopefully you are comfortable rolling around and you are really good with your backside half cab on the flat. So that's pretty much the key for this trick and to learn how to backside half cab over the hip. However, if you didn't learn the backside half cab yet, you can find the link in the description, go check it out. Fakie is riding backwards with the tail facing in the direction of the treble. So the foot position for this trick is your dominant foot on the bolts and your front foot in this case, because we are rolling backwards, on the tail or maybe a bit in the heel side pocket of the tail. You need to approach the hip with just enough speed so you are able to roll over the hip. When the hip is in front of you, it will be easier to do the trick because you're kind of turning less compared to the other side when the hip is behind you. So the next step is start to roll, and when you almost reach the middle of the hip, pop your board and slide your back foot up, turn your shoulders and guide the rotation of your board with your back foot. Look where you're going and spot your landing and try to level out your board and roll away on all four wheels. When you try it the first time, you don't have to pop too hard, just focus on popping your board, slide up your back foot, and the most important is to turn your shoulders and guide your board with your back foot and level out your board as you complete the rotation and try to have your balance over the center of your board. Don't lean forward because you will stop the backside half cab as you land on the front truck and you might fall, and at the same time don't lean back either because you might slip out. Might be a bit awkward in the beginning because you are rolling backwards, but that feeling will go away with practice and you will be able to pop higher and you will have a better rotation and landing time after time you try this trick. So make sure you practice your backside half cab over the hip. You can leave your comments if you need help with your backside half cab and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials. But as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.